If you're looking to create a high-converting social proof campaign with Proof, you're in the right place. Today, we'll go through the key steps of setting up a successful social proof campaign using Proof's simple yet powerful tools. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage Proof to build trust with your audience and increase conversions. And here's the best part. You can start using Proof for free right now. Just check the first link below for exclusive bonuses. Now let's dive into how to create a social proof campaign with Proof. First, Proof works by displaying real-time notifications of user activity on your website. These notifications act as social proof, showing potential customers that others are taking action and making purchases. This adds an element of credibility and urgency that can drive more conversions. Setting up your campaign begins by creating a new campaign in Proof's user-friendly dashboard. You'll select the type of social proof you want to display, whether that's recent purchases, signups, or product views. Then, you can customize how these notifications appear on your website. Proof gives you complete control over the design and placement of these notifications, ensuring they blend seamlessly with your brand's look and feel. Once your campaign is set up, you can target specific audience segments. For instance, you might want to show notifications only to visitors from a particular region, or those who have spent a certain amount of time on your page. Proof allows you to refine your audience targeting so you can deliver the right message to the right people at the right time. Next, you'll want to experiment with different notification types. Proof offers various options, from simple X just purchased alerts to more complex, detailed notifications, showing the number of people currently viewing a product. It's important to test and iterate on these notifications to find the format that works best for your audience. The more personalized and relevant the notification, the more effective it will be. One of the best features of Proof is the ability to track and analyze performance. You can monitor how your notifications are impacting conversion rates in real time and use that data to optimize your campaigns. Proof provides detailed reports that help you understand what's working and where there's room for improvement. This data-driven approach ensures that you're always improving your social proof strategy. What's great about Proof is how easily it integrates with other marketing tools. Whether you're using email marketing software, landing page builders, or analytics platforms, Proof connects with most major tools on the market so you can create a seamless marketing ecosystem. Now, as promised, I want to make sure you take full advantage of Proof's powerful features. By using the first link in the description below, you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial. This means you can start building your social proof campaign for free with no strings attached. As you start experimenting with Proof, remember that the key to a successful social proof campaign is relevancy. Make sure your notifications are timely, personalized, and tailored to your audience. Test different approaches and keep an eye on the analytics to see how your campaigns are performing. With these strategies in place, you'll be able to build trust with your visitors and boost your conversions like never before. So if you're ready to create a social proof campaign that works, don't wait. Start today and use the exclusive offer in the link below to get started with Proof for free.